everyone. Welcome to my channel Biology All-in-One. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and ring the bell icon. Thank you. Today we are discussing the 6th cbse topic, food, where does it come from? In this topic, we have covered all different kinds of the topics. See, here we are going to know the food habits of people. Actually, do you know what is habit? There is lots of difference between the habit and habitat. Habitat is the dwelling place where they live. But the habit is the thing which we generally follow every day. Understand? Waking up early at particular time, eating food at particular time, and going to bed at the particular time. All those are nothing but habits. We the people of Telangana and Andhra region, we have the food habit of eating the rice. Understand? So, we consume the rice as a primary food. To this food only we'll add different kinds of the things and we'll eat. Right? Like vegetable curry, dals, as well as curd. All these components we mix and eat in the rice. It is a primary consumption, means the primary product that we consume as a food. If you observe the Bihar people, actually in our India there are different kinds of the states. In that states, different kinds of the people are having different kinds of the food habits. The food habits are vary from one area to the other area due to the gaining of the components, availability of the food materials, means the growth of the food material which belongs to that particular area. The crops which grown in that area is the food of that particular area persons. Right? See, Bihar people consume the chapati as a food. Gujarat people consume chapati as a food. Punjab people consume roti as a food. These three sources is maize only. Right? See, Rajasthan people are having the bajra. Tamil Nadu people, rice, sambar and banana chips as their food. See, different people, means different areas people are having different food habits due to the crop production on that particular area. Food habits are dependent. Right? Food habits are dependent on the presence of the food or the availability of the food in that particular area. Understand? See, Rajasthan people even eats the chapati. Chapati as the primary food. Why it is known as the primary food? They grows that. Is these people also even eats rice. But that is the secondary consumption. Right? Even we also eat chapati, but not as a primary consumption, primary one. Because in this area, in our area, the rice is the most popular food that we consume because we grow that paddy here. The growth of the paddy takes place in our area. That's the reason we consume rice. Understand? See, chapati, roti, as well as the people which are belongs to these particular areas grow the crop known as wheat. Even they eat maize also. See, we also used to eat different kinds of the food material earlier. But now we are consuming only the rice. Before we used to eat jawar also, but now we are having rice as a primary food. Understand? See, this is nothing but the areas of the. These are nothing but the areas of the people are having different kinds of the food habits. See, we are having many states. In that states, they are having different food habits. By the food habits depends on the availability of the food in that particular area. Understand? And next, now let us know about steps to avoid the wastage. Actually, many people are suffering Many people on this earth are suffering without the food. Understand? They're starving a lot for the food. See, many kinds of the diseases are attacking to the persons who are not having the food. See, to those people, you help, or you just take the quantity of the food how much you need. Don't take much quantity of the food. Don't cook the much quantity of the food in your family, which is not essential for you. Understand? As well as the steps to avoid the wastage here. First thing you should remember, cook the quantity. Cook the quantity which you need. Cook the quantity how much you need. And avoid the wastage. Avoid the wastage means don't throw the wastage in the polythene covers. Throw the wastages in the cover which can be decomposed, and throw the wastage for the rats and squirrels. Those organisms can also depend on the food only. So please provide food for the organism which doesn't contain mouth to talk and convey to sing. Okay, see, as well as don't eat much food. Don't eat much food. Don't eat much food. Much food causes the obesity. Obesity leads to many problems. That's the reason don't eat much food. Understand? Food gives us energy, but if you take much food, it leads to the obesity. Take the food how much you need. Understand? So see, my dear children, today we discussed the food habits of the people, having different kinds of the food habits, and we have discussed the steps to avoid the wastage. Okay, don't throw the food material and provide food to the persons who are starving. Okay, provide the food to the people who are starving. This is what we have discussed in this unit. Where does it come from? We have discussed that from where the food has come. In the earlier videos I have already uploaded. Food, where does it come from? Means from the plants we are gaining the food, and from the animals we gain the food. The things I have already uploaded. You just have a look of that videos to gain more knowledge about this unit. Understand? Thank you, and please keep on watching our channel and do subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.